The Tesla Model Y camping tent is an eccentric and adaptable accessory tailored exclusively for Tesla's Model Y electric vehicle. This custom-made tent smoothly integrates with your Model Y, turning it into a cozy and roomy mobile home suitable for any camping escapade or as an apocalypse hideout. Let's investigate the features of this peculiar camping tent and discover why it's the go-to option for Model Y owners. The Tesloid Model Y camping tent is cleverly designed to accommodate the dimensions of the Model Y's tail space. This enables you to establish a long-term camping base around your Model Y, or just reverse right into the tent after a day of surviving in a post-apocalyptic world. With this tent, the opportunities for adventure, exploration, or simply hiding from zombies are infinite. Space may be a luxury in a dystopian future, but the Tesloid Model Y camping tent has got you covered. With a 7-foot ceiling and almost 50 square feet of indoor living space, you won't feel boxed in, even when escaping mutant creatures. The tent also boasts a 25 square foot shaded porch, offering additional space for your belongings and perhaps a last stand. Don't forget the bonus sleeping area inside your Model Y, which provides an extra layer of comfort and convenience. The Tesloid Model Y camping tent is made from 190T polyester with a silver coating and 210D Oxford fabric, ensuring durability and protection from various harsh weather conditions, including a radioactive fallout. Okay, not really, but it's a nice thought. The tent is supported by a steel wire frame, adding stability and structure to withstand the elements. When it's time to make a swift escape, the tent conveniently folds back into a small carrying bag for easy transport. Setting up the Tesloid Model Y camping tent is a piece of cake, and it's the perfect solution for turning your Model Y into a snug and comfy camping haven. Follow these step-by-step instructions and you'll be good to go. First, choose a prime spot. Pick a flat, level surface for your tent setup. Make sure it's free from rocks or pointy objects and anything else that might harm the tent or make it less comfy to sleep in. And in the case of an apocalypse, remember to choose a strategic location with a clear view of your surroundings. Next, take the tent out of the carrying bag and spread it on the ground, positioning the door in your preferred direction. And then you want to build the skeleton. The Tesloid Model Y camping tent comes with a trusty steel wire frame for structure and support. Just unfold and connect the frame pieces as instructed by the manufacturer. And then you want to dress the frame. Once the frame is ready, start attaching the tent to it. This could involve sliding the frame pulls into designated sleeves or hooking the tent fabric to the frame. Make sure the fabric is evenly stretched and securely fastened. Next, you want to anchor it down. Grab the provided stakes and secure the tent corners and other anchor points to the ground. For extra stability, insert the stakes at a 45-degree angle, pointing away from the tent. Next step is to dock the Model Y. Align the tent's tail space, opening with your Model Y's rear hatch. Make sure the tent is centered and fits snugly around the hatch. You might need to fiddle with the tent's position or tension to get it perfect. Roll out the porch, stretch the porch fabric, and either stake it to the ground or attach it to the tent poles if provided. You now have a shaded outdoor space for chilling out or storing your gear. Take a stroll around the tent and make any necessary tweaks to ensure a secure and stable setup. Tighten straps, close all zippers, and double check your stakes. The Tesla Model Y camping tent is an essential accessory for Model Y owners seeking to elevate their camping experience or apocalypse preparedness, or simply enjoy a unique outdoor getaway. With its custom fit, roomy interior, and practical design, this tent offers an exceptional and comfortable way to appreciate the great outdoors. Whether you're an experienced camper, a first-timer, or a doomsday prepper, this Tesla Model Y camping tent is a must-have addition to your arsenal. And that's all for this week's video. Happy adventures!